Alright guys, Janet here with Strange RV Tours, and we're in Silver Springs, Florida, and we've been here at this Whispering Pines RV park for 8 days, and it's been wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And I'll show you around, okay? Okay, we've been, when we first came in, here was the office. She's open 12 to 5 during the week. There's like, I think 40 spots, some full-timers, but the big lots, nice grass, little pond, let's see, just, she was great in the office. I forgot her name, but they take all kinds of discounts. Military, Sam's, Passport, you name it. But awesome people here. Awesome people. And as soon as we drove in, we're on down in space number 32. We had a guy help us in, make sure that everything was good. So let me drive you on over to the clubhouse, the little house. Yeah, here's the little clubhouse. They have bingo night, they have movie night. We watched a great movie, The Long Trailer. That was awesome. And see, they have a big bingo set up. And they have a big TV set up. Well, the little TV here. But we all sat around and watched the movie. And on Saturday, they had a breakfast. And like $3. And they had this all lined up with, they'd make eggs to order, pancakes and bacon and home fries. It was so good. And it was fun. It's more like a meet and greet for us because we finally got to see everybody. But it's cool. It's cool. The people here are awesome. Yeah. So it's fun. It's been real fun. And we'll just keep on going. Okay, here's the little pond. A couple little ducks. And there's a fire pit way over there. And they do that like once a week. And do a big bonfire. And laundry's over here. And shower house. Bathrooms. They have 2 facilities. And actually this place does have like 50 some odd at least spots. I was thinking, somebody mentioned that they were in spot number 51. So there's more than I thought here. But they're spread out enough. It's really nice. And there's a dump station. The laundry is only $2 to wash and 75 cents to dry. And let's see. There's 2 washers and 2 dryers in both bathhouses. And the showers are nice and clean and neat. And over here they have Arabian horses. Way over there. Hey babies. What are you doing? What are you doing? And we were out here looking at the alligator next door. There's an alligator right over sunning itself in front of that first tree in the pond. Probably about 5 foot long, maybe. They said there's 2, but nobody's mentioned the other one. So 2 horses over there. That's private property. And see how quiet it is? I mean, this is nice. And all the way down, that's where we're at, number 32. And people come down here every year apparently, and they have a couple maintenance guys, both really nice. Office lady was awesome. She gave me all kinds of stuff to do, pamphlets and a map and all this stuff, and said, oh, you can take your dog here and here and here. And we did do the Silver Springs Park with the glass bottom boats, and ran up to Gainesville and did some filming up there. Found my old house up there that I used to live in 1988, something like that. But anyway, I'll show you. All right. You see squirrels and birds all the time. Driving my cat wild. You know, you see the squirrels playing right in front of our RV. Torture. They want them. But we only paid $15 a night. Passport America. That was great. Yeah, Greg's ready to go. He's sitting there in the window. All right. I better get going. I gotta disconnect all the hoses and all that. So, then, anyway. Oh, Greg's waving. Say hi, honey. I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you would. Hit the little bell for notifications and share. And if you want to join us on Patreon, get all the extra stuff, be the Patreon family. Anyway, you can hit the link at below the description, okay? Alrighty, guys, talk at you later. We're going on. Bye.